Hello guys.
Hey, we've decided once again to change a little bit our balcony and we bought a greenhouse. Well, now as you can see we have a hedge on the shelf, all my succulents here.
We want to optimize our balcony.
Thank you. Thank you. Look how beautiful it is. It's some sort of kalinkoi. It has like little spikes here. It's very different, huh?
Yes, a lot of space.
Yeah. So here how it looks without all the stuff. We're gonna set up the greenhouse here. So it's pretty long. It's 1.90 meters.
So this is the greenhouse. It will look like that.
It's a dream come true. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
It's great that it comes with all the shelving. You've already established some techniques to assemble IKEA products.
Yes. First of all,
You're a pro.
the most important thing is to see all the details. Look at that. Several kinds of parts. This part has 4 dots, okay, and this part should go in the middle.
These dots.
Okay. In the corners, there should be only 1 dot. 1 and 1. So here, I assemble it correctly. Here we have the shelves. A little bit tricky, you know? Not straightforward. A very important tip from me, guys, to you. In order to make it easier, you can take all the sticks and arrange all the sticks by side.
I thought it would be very long. It is 1.90 meters. Something about this size. Here's basically the space for the planters, the ground. Well, it starts already to have a shape.
So, I made a mistake. Initially I thought that this dot represents how many sticks should be used for each part. But this part has only 1 dot.
What do you think about it so far?
I must admit that it's pretty challenging. I didn't expect it would be like that. I was sure it would be straightforward. But
Yeah, it's a little bit challenging. But you're doing a great job.
so here basically you will have the shelves. Double checking this again. Okay, so we are fine. I think we completed the most difficult part. Made a mistake, and I was supposed to use this length, not the longest one. The longest one should come here, this place.
Here's the arc.
Yeah, I think we finished.
Yeah.
We just need to make it tighter, but it's a bit difficult, so
It was the easiest part, building the arc. So that's the frame. That's how it looks.
see? Yes, this is very easy one.
Yes.
Now we need to take this fabric, this material, looks like nylon, waterproof, and we need to cover this arc. This is how the greenhouse looks. We bought several accessories